My name is Tina Collazo and I'm with Epico Solutions Group. So today I'm going to talk to you about bathroom renovations. You've probably been wondering, what do I need to do? I don't know what colors to pick out. I don't even know where to start. Well, I'm going to take the mystery out of that for you today. So the first thing you're going to want to address is your cabinets. So if your home needs some updating or your bathroom needs updating, but your cabinets are in great condition, then you're going to choose three colors. You can do a white, you can do a light gray, or even you can do a brownish gray, because that's the latest what builders are doing. And I always like to say your competition is not your neighbor, it's new construction. So I have a white cabinet right here. The only thing you'll need to do is just add a gold pull or even a brushed nickel pull, and that will just really set the bathroom off with your cabinets. Okay, so the second modification you need to make to your bathroom to renovate it would be flooring. I'm going to give you two examples. The first is I have some LVP right here. You can go with a brown or you can go with a gray. The only reason why I bring it up because a lot more homes are starting to do LVP everywhere on the main level, and even in the bathrooms, because it's very durable. So I wanted you all to see what these two options look like. So now if we go on more of a traditional route and you want to do ceramic tile in your bathrooms, then this is, I would recommend definitely going with like a gray color or even a brownish color, which is a hint of gray to it. So that way it's neutral. So this allows people to be able to go warm or cooler. But this is an example of what you can do if you did gray, and it can go on the bathroom floor as well as tiling in the shower. What I do want to mention with the owner's bathroom, you want to do like a 12 by 12 flooring, and even do bigger tile in the shower or even a listello in the shower walls. Now, when you have your secondary bathrooms, you can do like a 6 by 6 white tile, keep it real easy. If you do like a gray, the light gray cabinet, for example, and you do a even a gold pull or a brushed nickel pull, you can do the 6 by 6 tiling on the floor as well as in shower walls, and do like a light gray grout. That is just a very inexpensive way to really just make the bathroom pop and look expensive and not spend a lot for it. So just a couple little tips there with that. So the next one is painting. Again, let's keep this real easy, keep things very neutral but very classy. I definitely recommend Agreeable Gray and City Loft as color options for you, and it's by Sherwin-Williams. The next thing is lighting. Just keep things real simple with brushed nickel lighting. The last thing is the faucet fixtures. Leave them as brushed nickel. Just keep that as brushed nickel. But in your owner's bathroom, if you did do gold pull, for example, then you want to do like a gold faucet fixture. It looks very elegant and it just speaks money. It looks just very classy. So hopefully these bathroom tips have been very helpful for you. If you have a starter home or even a luxury home in a gated community, we would love to be a real estate resource of choice and help you through this process. Give us a call at 202-255-9373.